Hey guys, if you want to know how to create your own emojis in less than 1 minute with AI, this video is for you. To do this, we will be using this AI called ideogram. Just describe the emoji you want. Make sure to add the illustration style and set a black background so it will be easier to remove it later. Now let's wait until the AI generates our images. Now choose the one you like the most. I will pick this one, for example. Let's download it. Now we need to go to this website to remove the background. Just upload the image and it will automatically remove it. It accidentally deleted part of the emoji, so we can correct it manually with this restore option. Now it's perfect. Let's apply the changes and download it. Now if you want to add it to your Discord server, just go to the server settings, then emoji and upload it. That's it. You can now use it in your messages. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe for more. Thanks.